Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ongsuman Sinha Mathematics. So as you can see from the picture that we are doing class 10th CBSE board trigonometry chapter, trigonometric identities, and we have already finished up to question number 28 of exercise 7a. Question number 28 we have up to question number 28 we have already finished. 25 trigonometric identities. I am just opening it. This page, as you can see, we have already finished up to question number 25. Next we will start from question number 26. Now what is given in question number 26? I am writing here. I hope you are able to see it. Question number 26. What is given? Cosec theta plus cot theta. We have to show that. Hope you are able to see it. We have to show that cosec theta. So I am writing cosec theta plus cot theta by cosec theta minus cot theta, that's equal to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, that's equals to 1 plus 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. Okay. So first we will take this, and again so here so first we will take the LHS, that is cosec theta plus cot theta by cosec theta minus cot theta. Now multiplying the numerator and denominator by cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, so this is cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, and this is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that's equals to how much? That's equals to 1. So we are getting cosec square theta minus cosec theta plus cot theta whole square. So this is the LHS, this is the first RHS, that we have proved, cosec theta plus cot theta whole square. Next again, if we squaring it, that is this equals to cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus cot square theta. Now cosec theta means 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus cot square theta. Okay, 1 plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus 2 cot square theta, that's equals to another RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, both two RHS, that proved. Next move to another question. Question number 2 of 26. Question number 2 is quite similar, so you should try it yourself. Next move to question number 27. What is given in question number 27? We have to show that 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, that we have to show. Now first take the LHS, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. So if we do that, we are getting 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square, 1 plus cos theta whole square minus sin square theta. Okay. Next, coming to the next line. Now if we do the square of it, so we are getting, that is 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So that's equals to 1 plus cos theta whole square 2 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta by, this is 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus this can be written as 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta divided by, this can be written as, now here if we do the calculations, that is 1 can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta minus sin square theta. This can be cancelled out. Now again, from the above we are getting 1, this is 1 and cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, so 1 plus 1 plus this 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. And in the new denominator we are getting 2 taking common, cos square theta plus cos theta, cos square 2 cos square theta plus cos theta. Okay. So here we are taking 2 common, 1 plus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta by 2 cos theta I am taking common, 1 plus cos theta. This can be cancelled out. Now this can be written as in the form of 1 plus sin theta 1 plus cos theta by cos theta 1 plus cos theta. So this can be cancelled out. We are getting 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So that was the RHS. Okay. Next, move to another question. That is question number 2 is quite similar. Question number 2 I am writing what step, sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta, that is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. We have to show that. So here again we should just adjust, that is sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, this is again sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Okay. Next, if we do the calculation, and if we proceed, we will get this answer. Okay. Next, move to another question. Move to another question. Question number 29. Sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta, that's equals to 2 by sin square theta minus cos square theta, that's equals to 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay. Now first we are taking this, so here LHS, that is sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. So taking the LHS, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, that's we are getting sin square theta minus cos square theta. This can be written as sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square, sin square theta cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta, sorry, sin theta cos theta. Now this can be cancelled out, and here it can be written as sin square theta minus cos square theta. Obviously this is 1 and this is equals to 1, so 1 plus 1 means 2, 2 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Now that's equals to, that is the first RHS, that's proved. Next this is equal to 2 by, this can be written as sin square theta minus cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta, that's equal to 2 by 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta minus 1, that's the another RHS proved. Okay. Next question number 30. Question number 30, it is given as cos theta cosec theta, okay, minus sin theta sec theta by cos theta plus sin theta, that's equals to cosec theta minus sec theta. Okay. So cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta. In this math, if we show that is cos theta into cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta, that's equals to cosec theta minus sec theta into cos theta plus sin theta. That means this multiplication is equal to this, then that will be okay. So first we should take the RHS, that is cosec theta minus sec theta cos theta plus sin theta. This is cos theta cosec theta minus sec theta cos theta plus sin theta cosec theta minus sec theta sin theta. Okay. Now sin theta cosec theta, that's equals to 1. So cos theta, sorry, sec theta cos theta, that's equals to 1, and sin theta cosec theta, that's equals to 1. So this can be cancelled out, obviously, by the limiting, by the taking the values. So this is equal to cos theta cosec theta minus sec theta sin theta. So that's the LHS proved. Okay, we first taking it as by multiplying, but first we should multiply over here, then taking this as RHS, this as LHS, we are taking this as RHS, we are proved there. Next, move to another question. Then is question number 31. Question number 31. Now what is given in question number 31? 1 plus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta into sin theta minus cos theta. That we have to prove sec theta by cosec square theta minus cosec theta by sec square theta. Now this can be written as 1 plus, this is tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, plus cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. So next, in next step, we are going to solve, that is this equal to cos theta sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta cos theta plus this is equal to sin square theta, this is equal to cos theta, that is taking sin theta cos theta as LCM. Okay, this is sin theta minus cos theta. So this is 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. Now if we take this is the LHS, this is the LHS that we have taken. If we take the RHS, suppose we are taking the RHS, RHS equal to sec theta by cosec square theta minus cosec theta by sec square theta. Now sec theta means 1 by cos theta, cosec square means 1 by sin square theta, that is equals to cosec means 1 by sin theta by 1 by cos square theta. So this equals to sin square theta by cos theta minus this equals to cos square theta by sin theta. Now again if we take sin theta cos theta as LCM, then this can be written as sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So a cube minus b cube, if we put the formula, that can be written as sin theta minus cot theta by into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus plus sin theta cos theta, okay, divided by sin theta cos theta. Now this can be put over the form of 1, so this is equals to sin theta minus cos theta 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So this matches with this, okay. So LHS equals to, you can write that LHS equals to RHS. Hope you are able to understood. Now question number 32, it is given us that cot square sec theta minus 1 by 1 plus sin theta, that's equals to sec square 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sec theta. So we are adjusting it that by multiplying this 1 plus sec theta over here and 1 plus sin theta over here, we are getting this sec square theta 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta. Okay, that can be written as, so this is cos square theta, so this can be written as sec square theta minus 1. Okay, and here this is, since this is sec square theta, this can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now take the LHS, cot square theta into sec square theta minus 1, this is the LHS, that is equals to cot square theta into tan square theta, that is equals to 1. Now take the RHS, sec square theta into 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta, means this can be cancel out, that is equal to 1. So we are getting LHS equal to RHS, proved. Okay, this is a very shortcut method, no long method needed. Next move to another question, question number 34. We have to show that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is equals to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So for that, first we take LHS, the root over of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta, root over of 1 plus cos theta, what we get, this is equal to 1 minus cos square theta and this is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole square. Okay, this can be written as sin square theta under root, this can be written as 1 plus cos theta whole square under root, that is equals to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, and that is the RHS, proved. Hope we are able to understood it. Next move to another question, that is question number 3, 34. Question number 3 is similar. Question number 3, what is given, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is equals to 2 cosec theta, we have to prove. So first we taking the LHS, this equals to root over of 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, this equals to root over of 1 plus cos theta whole square plus root over of 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now this is equals to 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta by root over of 1 minus cos square theta, that is implying this can be cancelled out, that is implying 2 by sin theta under root 1 minus cos square theta means sin cos theta, that is equals to 2 cosec theta. Okay, that is the RHS. Next move to another question, question number 35. What is given, sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B, that is equals to 0, we have to show. So this is very easy question. If we take the LCM, it will definitely become 0. If we take the LCM, that is cos A plus cos B sin A plus sin B, next this is equal to sin A minus sin B, this is sin A plus sin B minus cos A minus cos B, this is cos A plus cos B. Okay, so that can be written as the I am writing the numerator only, so numerator calculation. So if we do the calculation here, this equals to sin square A minus sin square B minus cos square A plus cos square B. Okay, denominator I am not writing. So again in numerator, if we do the calculation, 1 minus cos square A, this is minus 1 plus cos square A, cos square B minus cos square A I am extremely sorry viewers, actually here minus sign is not there, plus sign is there. So this is all this is plus, this will be minus. So again I am writing only the numerator, this is 1 minus cos square A, this is minus 1 plus cos square B minus cos square A plus cos square A minus cos square B. This can be cancelled out. So numerator gets 0. Now if the numerator gets 0, then obviously the whole calculation should be 0. So RHS, that's equal to, will be RHS. Okay, next move to another question. Next move to question number 36. Tan A plus tan B by cot A plus cot B, that's equals to tan A into tan B, that we have to show. Now this is the LHS. So we have to now if we do one calculation, that is tan A plus tan B, that's equals to tan A tan B into cot A plus cot B. If we do this calculation and show it to the right, this side, then it will be same. So this is my LHS and this is the RHS. We should proceed from the RHS, that is tan A tan B into cot A plus cot B. This should be multiply. If we multiply here, tan cancel out, so we can get tan B. If we multiply over here, tan cot cancel out, B cancel out, we will get tan A, or that is the LHS. Proved. Okay, next question number 37. We have to show that the following as an identity, so that none of the following is an identity. We have to show that. That means cos square theta plus cos theta, that's equals to 1 we have. Now to showing the identity, we have to put value of theta, taking the value of theta is equal to 90 degree. If we take the value of theta is 90 degree, not 90, theta is equal to 30 degree we will take. Okay, so here cos square 30 degree plus cos 30 degree, this is the LHS. Okay, so now cos 30 degree, the value of cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, that whole square, root 3 by 2. So if we do the calculation, 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, this is the LHS, and that's not match with the with 1. So LHS not match with RHS for a value of, for a value of theta, so this is not an identity. Similarly, we can proceed and we can prove that these are identities or not. Next, come to question number 38. I am taking one question, that is cot theta. This is the last question of this exercise. Cot theta plus cos theta by cot theta minus cos theta, that equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. We have to prove that these are identities. We have to show that. Okay, so taking theta equal to 45 degree we are taking. Okay, so cot 45 degree means 1 plus 1 by root 2, and here this is 1 minus 1 by root 2. If we do the calculation, this is root 2 plus 1, this is root 2 minus 1, this is the LHS. Next take RHS. Now 1 plus sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree means 1 by root 2, and sin 45 degree again 1 by root 2. If we do the calculation, we are getting root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. So here we can say that LHS equal to RHS. So it is an identity. Proof. So that's it, viewers, for this video. Hope you will understood it, and please do subscribe my channel. Please like and share. Please give like and share. Please give me support. Okay, and please stay with us. Thank you.